Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Proton Mail account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in proton.me. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on Sign In option. Here, enter your email or username associated with your account and your valid password. If you don't have an account yet, then you can click on Create Account link. And if you want to be kept signed in, then you can check the box that says Keep Me Signed In. If you don't want it, then uncheck the box. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Proton Mail account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.